kum ga dinya le man Pynkhuid ya kawa sing soalang ka banan ba Mawlai Menteri Nambak Kejela Conrad sangma rengkat kejadian lang UMDC juga Mawlai bat Tribor patau bat urang bat senong juga Mawlai kentan masar bat kui dia kisnong ke mamarjan kila penlong di kacing Pynkhuid ya kati kawa manta kesengi rengkat kejadian trilang baka kentan masar biodiversity committee ai iya bakani kacing Pynkhuid ini kawa kalong lamba ka Lieng ka balasna da ka rentang hakaba Menteri Nambak bat ubat Tribor kila syong hane ka Lieng bat ralu yiki kenjat Tynsong mantong yiki plastik bat kui dia ki jabok na kati kawa akan kasi na dalang ru ki kena skul ki badai na ketika than Conrad sangma ulong bakani kadega jingle ka badan kamha hakabag snong ki de banya trilang na kapta bat Pynkhuid ban rampat ki kiwa ki Pynkhuid ki basuba ban pelong yang ka mai mariang kabak ki beri ki la ban penyakam ya kiwa
you just have to yes sir
So we have come here today in Mawlai, Kantan Masar area, and this entire stream of Salang. We are here to work along with 5 or 6 of the community in the localities out here to ensure that we are able to revive and clean and make sure that the biodiversity and all the other aspects of environment and ecology should be brought back to these streams. And with that, we have decided today to launch a mission mode program and let this be a pilot project which will be an example to other localities and other areas and other people in the state as well as in the region of the Northeast as a whole, that if the community and all the stakeholders and the government all come together, work together, we can reverse the impact of climate change. We can reverse all the aspects of what damage we have done to our streams and to our natural water bodies. If we work together, we can do it. So we have decided to get together along with the Rangbashnongs of all the different localities to have a meeting next week, and within a very short period of time we will come back here to launch this mission mode program. Thank you.